Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. I'm going to share with you how I make my easiest soda bread recipe. Let's get into the video. You only need a few ingredients for this. The main one being flour. Now I use plain flour. If you want to get more fibre, then you can go for spelt flour or wholemeal flour. And then the other little ingredients are baking soda, salt, and some apple cider vinegar. And we're going to finish off with simple water to bring it all together. All the ingredients go into a bowl. 3 cups of flour, 1 level teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. You want to give it a nice mix. Make a little well in the middle, and into it add a cup of water and the teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use just regular white vinegar. Give it a little mix and then just bring it all together. Bread making is a real tradition in Ireland, and soda bread is probably, I find, the quickest and easiest bread that you can make. And you can really just get your clean hands in there, get stuck in, bring it all together, and keep kneading it until it's a nice smooth round ball. What I like about this recipe is you don't have to wait for the bread to rise. There we have a nice smooth round ball. Flatten it out a little bit. And this is a little trick that they have been doing in Ireland for as long as I know. Put an X in the centre, make a little wish, and they say that this allows all the fairies to come out. And if you like a crispy top, just coat it with a little bit of water. In we go to a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for approximately 30 minutes. When it's ready, take it out of the oven, and although it is so tempting to eat straight away, pop it in a towel and leave it to rest for at least half an hour. And enjoy with some jam, some homemade pesto. Really, any topping that you desire works on soda bread. It is easy to make, the ingredients are simple, and you've got yourself wonderful fresh bread in no time at all. Thank you very much for watching this video. That's it for this week. Thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want more elaborate soda bread recipes, I can go with that, or I've got a few other bread recipes. I'll link them down below. Say hi to me as always over on Instagram or in the comments. We'll have a chat. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.